In Windows, today I will discuss about three types of question. The first one is how to hide and unhide all icon of the desktop. And the second one is how to hide and unhide this PC, recycle bin and user files. And the third one is how to change the icon of this PC, recycle bin and users file. So let's start. The first one is how to hide all icon of the desktop and how to unhide. First of all, right click on the desktop and then select view and then click on show desktop icon. You can see all icon of the desktop hidden. And if you want to show all icon of the desktop, then right click on the desktop, then click view and at last click show desktop icon. You can see all icon of the desktop. The second one is how to hide only this PC, recycle bin and user files. Let's start. Right click on the desktop, then select personalize and you can display personalized setting option. Left side many option. In this option select theme option. Then display theme option. You can scroll below, scroll and scroll down. You can see desktop icon setting. Click on desktop icon setting, then display desktop icon setting. You can see carefully. I am closing this window and show this window so you can concentrate it. So please listen carefully. If you want to hide this PC, click on computer, uncheck computer option and then apply it. You can see this PC icon will not showing on the desktop. You can see. And if you want to see this PC icon, then click computer, check computer option, then click apply. You can see this PC icon. If you want to hide recycle bin icon, then uncheck recycle bin and apply. You can see recycle bin is not showing on the desktop. If you want to see the recycle bin, then click recycle bin, then apply. If you want to hide user files, you can click user files and apply it. You can see user files is not showing on the desktop. I hope you understand better. The last one is how to change the icon of this PC, recycle bin. Please listen carefully. Select this PC and then click change icon. Then after display change icon option menu, you can see many icon of this folder. You can see, select any of them you want to like or fit for this PC icon. I am selecting this icon and then click OK, then apply. You can see this PC icon will change this type of icon. If you want to change recycle bin icon, then select recycle bin, then click change icon. Select any icon of this. There are many icons in this folder. Select any, then select OK, then apply. You can see the recycle bin of icon is changed. I hope you understand how to change this PC and recycle bin icon and how to hide and unhide computer and recycle bin and user files icon. So if you understood, please like and share, subscribe my channel. See you next video.